Hi Professor Karen and my dear friends, my name is Harpreet Kaur and today is July 14th in 2019 and this video is related to my experiment Aseptic Techniques and Culturing Microbes, and this is the week 2 of the Bio 225 class. And in this video I am going to discuss about my observations and the results I got after culturing the E. coli, yeast and the Staphylococcus epidermidis, preparing the active cultures, and after 72 hours we keeping it for again incubation in the agar plates. And so this is what I got. So I already have these three here, and I'm going to start with E. coli. You can see, I can see a lot of crowded, the colonies of the E. coli. And I think in this experiment, the only error, maybe a little bit I did, is that with the inoculation loop, I did, repeated twice the steps, so that made it more overcrowded. So we can still see it, but there are too many colonies formed. But and it's a little bit of off-white color. So that's the characteristics of E. coli bacteria. And the second one is the yeast. You can see the same thing I did again. I did repeat it. That's why I see like overcrowded colonies here. And these are also off-white, I can see. And see, all the pattern is and I can see that it's a pure culture of yeast because I don't see any different color in them. So, and the last line is, this is for S. epidermidis, and this one, it didn't have enough colonies, but I see in the just in the side a little bit and the middle. So I'm not sure if it's normal, but I don't know why that culture it didn't grow that much. So I will just do research on it and write my notes, and that's it. And that's very interesting to see how these microorganisms, we think it's tiny bit, and they are just having so many cells in a short period of time. And these experiments, they help me understand how infection can spread so fast, and cause the disease. And thank you very much. That's it.